Let's get into the data. So let's get for unemployment rate first in Australia because it's a bit easier to explain. But unemployment rate has been consistently rising, okay, and that's really not good because we had a consensus of 4.1%, so was basically 4.1 previously. So what they were expecting is no changes from previously to now, and the actual came in much higher than consensus was at a 4.3%, so 0.2% higher than expected. So that is really challenging in a sense, if you get me right. The other part is the employment change. So the employment changes, the consensus was 21,000, and the previous was revised up in a sense, but still negative to negative 1,100. So if we look here, what we got is a 21,000. That's a very huge number. The actual, my friends, came in to be only 10% of what the consensus was expecting, 2,000, okay? So really bad numbers for Australia. When we look to the Australian dollar against the US dollar, it was traded, it was trading some sort of bullishness from yesterday PPI, and now it's really bearish. And exactly what I've mentioned into the webinar yesterday, looking to trade bearishness into the Australian against the US dollar. So I continue to believe that the Australian dollar is a very bearish currency